Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add review page on your big cartel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to a new page and then go ahead and type power.io and then go ahead and click on this link. Once you click on the link, you need to sign up. First, go ahead and click on sign up for free. You can sign up with your Google account. So for example, I'm just gonna sign up with my Google account really fast. So basically guys, once you sign up, this is how the main page will look like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go ahead on your dashboard, go and click on create new app. Once you click on create new app, then you need to come to the search bar and search for review. Once you type review, we're going to find an app that's the name of the application is product review, collects products reviews with photos, rating, and social proof. Go ahead and click on get app. And then, as you can see, guys, this is how it will look like. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is go ahead and click on write a review. And right here, you can rate your experience, for example, 5 stars. And in the review title, for example, I'm gonna name it example. And here you can write your review, example, excellent. You can add an image. And right here, you can add first and last name and your email. So once you finish, go ahead and click on submit. I need to type email. So basically guys, once you finish, go ahead and click on save, and then we're gonna be right here in this page. So you can add it to Big Cartel and copy the code and then paste it on Big Cartel. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.